This video is for those who are ready to learn a new skill or entrepreneurs who want to invest their money. If you want to invest your money into any field, or if you are ready to invest but you don't know which side to invest your money, then this video is also for you. This video is for, as I said earlier, those who want to learn new skills and those who want to invest. So the furniture business, why you should enter into the furniture business. The furniture business is a lucrative business that is going to be existing forever. I don't know when, maybe things can be replaced, but I know maybe for about 20 to 30 years it's going to be existing. Let's say, for instance, when you check any luxurious home that you find or any luxurious house that you find, there is furniture in it, chairs and tables, a lot of cupboards, and there is a lot of things that you can find that is made within the furniture industry. And that means it's going to be in demand as far as people are going to continue to live. If people are going to continue to live and people are going to continue to invest, there is going to be like people are going to be opening offices, people are going to be opening institutions, so they'll be in need of furnitures and tables and other things just to fill their space. And if you are now to learn a new skill and you go into that area and you are able to learn the skill, you can implement it, open your own shop, be making that kind of, like, if it is chairs, be making chairs, if it is tables, be making tables, or you can combine making tables and chairs and selling it out to those people. And as far as you continue to expand and people get to know you, you get a lot of customers, because if the business grow bigger, you're not going to struggle before getting customers, because everybody will know you and people can place an order anywhere and you deliver it to them and they will pay as far as your service is good. And if you're also an entrepreneur who want to invest, let's say somebody is having the skills already but the person doesn't know, like the person doesn't have the finance, the person doesn't have the money to now open a shop, then you can sponsor the person to open the shop and you'll be taking a cut out of the profit that the person will be making. So if the person is make a profit, you can be taking 10% of every profit that the person make. So you make sure you supply the person with the raw materials, the goods and everything, and when the person now make the things and sell it out, then you will now take portion of the profit and use to expand your business as well, invest it into different fields. So this business is a lucrative business. If you are ready to learn a new skill, don't delay, don't just wait, try to enter into this business. It's going to help you a lot. If you are also an investor, the same way, try to also put your hands on this business. It's going to also help you as well. So, and if you are interested in making money online and offline, ideas on how to make money online, then this particular page is also for you. Don't forget to follow the page for more tips like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.